Millions of Americans make financial resolutions at the start of a new year, with finances being at the top of the list. Unfortunately, less than half actually follow through on the resolution. In this video, I'll provide 4 tips for making a financial resolution that works. Welcome to today's UW Mindful Money Moment. My name is Peggy Olive and I'm with the University of Wisconsin-Madison and the Division of Extension. In annual surveys, some of the top New Year's financial resolutions include sticking with a budget, paying off a credit card, and saving for emergencies. Whatever your goal, set yourself up for success with these 4 tips. Number 1, break your goal down into small steps. For example, if you want to figure out a budget you can live with, start with one spending category, such as groceries or utilities, and track that expense for a month or 2 to learn how much you're currently spending. After you know how much you typically spend for that expense, then start tracking another expense until you eventually have a budget that matches your lifestyle and current spending. When you have all the information you need, then you can make decisions about where you want to cut back based on what's most important to you. Number 2, start a new behavior instead of trying to stop an old habit. Research tells us it's easier to start a new habit than to break an old habit. If you want to cut down on your online shopping, as an example, you can still go online and add items to your cart, then consider what new behavior works best for you, whether it's waiting a day or 2 before checking out or deleting your cart at the end of the day or something else. Number 3, plan for things that can get in your way. When people give up on their goal, the number 1 reason they give up is they say they run into an obstacle they didn't anticipate. They get discouraged and then just give up on the whole thing. Consider planning ahead for things that might come up because realistically, something always comes up. It's called if-then planning. For example, let's say you're trying to save money for emergencies. If you were to have an unexpected bill one month, then think about what you might do. Maybe you'll skip saving that month, or use a credit card, or take money out of your existing emergency fund. Do whatever you need to do, and then get back to your savings plan as soon as you can. Number 4, build in immediate gratification, especially when you're working on a long-term goal, like paying off credit cards or saving for retirement. People are more likely to stick with a long-term goal when they also see short-term benefits. It's important to have small wins along the way and enjoy your progress. Come up with a few benchmarks to celebrate. Maybe it's seeing how many days or weeks you can go without using your credit card, or paying off a certain dollar amount or % each month. New Year's can be a great time for a fresh financial start. If now isn't the best time for you to tackle a new goal, then go ahead and pick a different starting date that has even more meaning for you, like a birthday or a different holiday. As they say, better late than never. For more resources on managing your money, check out the UW websites shared at the end of this video. If you'd like to talk to a UW-Madison Extension educator one-on-one about your finances, you can also find contact information for your part of the state on our website. Thanks for watching, and tune in next time for another UW Mindful Money Moment.